Okay, so these are going to be your practice problems for today. This is on page 14 of your packet. These problems are very similar to the ones we just did on page 13, where we need to write the equation of the line given the following informations. Equation should be in slope-intercept form. Now, that doesn't mean we don't ever use point-slope form, but perhaps we use point-slope form to get to slope-intercept form. And always a good thing, at the top of every page, let's write both of those. Point-slope form and slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Now, I will say, down for problem 7 and 8, you will also need slope form, which, as a reminder, is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But those will only be for problem 7 and 8. Your goal is to complete all these problems, 1 through 8. If you would like additional problems, page 15 has more problems like 7 and 8. But I'll walk you through the first one, where it says m is 3, so our slope is 3, and the point is 3, negative 3. That's a point, so that's something we can label as x1, y1. And using our point-slope form, I know a point, I know a slope, let's plug in. So instead of y minus y1 is negative 3, equals m is 3, so let's bring that down, times x minus x1 is also 3. A lot of 3's in this problem. Now, of course, we know that changes to a plus because minus and negative is the same thing as plus. So we can change it to y plus 3 equals. And on the right, I think we're at the spot where we can handle two things at once. We can distribute the 3 and simplify this side. So 3 times x, 3 times negative 3, 3 times x is 3x, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. From here, our last step to get slope-intercept form, where y is by itself, would be to get rid of this plus 3. How do we get rid of plus 3? Subtract 3 from both sides. Those cancel out, and we'll get y equals 3x. Negative 9 minus 3 is negative 12. And that would be your final answer. Do that same routine for numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Understand that number 3 and 4 do have some fractions, as well as 5 and 6, but you'll handle them the exact same way. So when you distribute the slope to x and whatever the x1 is, know that you will have some fractions, but everything is the same way. What I will do is I'll post a PDF on Google Classroom for the answers of this sheet. Now, it will only have the answers, it will not have the work, but you will be at least able to check the final answer, whatever y equals, for all of these problems. If you have questions, talk to a partner, talk to another group, talk to someone not close to you, okay? So work on these with a partner, work on them on your own, however you want to do it to get these done. I'll check them next time, so we have some time to go over them as well. If you get done with 14, feel free to move on to 15. But the notes, the videos, and these problems are your task for today. If you have questions, please email me. Have a great day.